MilesTek has released a new series of waterproof USB cables to address data networking in harsh environments. These new cable assemblies feature USB Type A and Type B connector combinations, panel mount and feed-through connector options, and both shielded and unshielded versions are available. These rugged cables were designed to provide USB connectivity in harsh industrial and military environments where a waterproof IP67 rating is required. MilesTek's new IP67 rated USB cables are in stock and available for immediate shipment. For more information on these new waterproof USB cables, please visit milestek.com.